BMW X5 50e. Now this car is a 74, it's done 6,000 miles. It cost just short of £100,000 when it was new because of the extras. The spec is massive. So it's a 3-litre petrol, but then it's got an electric motor which generates 39-mile plug-in electric power. The car is 500, just short of 500 brake horsepower. But listen to the spec. Dravit grey, M Sport Pro Pack, Comfort Plus Pack, Sky Lounge roof, Merino Ivory extended bespoke leather interior, upgraded 22-inch wheels. And just look at the car, it looks incredible. Electric deployable Towbar. It's even got heated seats, cooled seats, massage seats, heated seats in the rear. It's the brand new model, so we've got the 8.5 iDrive system. So it's so up to date, this car. It's the one to have for business use because of the hybrid technology, and it's all about the spec. The colour is just magnificent. Look at the front end. So you've got this illuminated grille. It's all de-chromed with the M Sport Pro Pack, so it's got a real sporty look to it. Look at them headlights as well. Things like you can see the camera there. It's got 360 camera. It's got adaptive cruise control. It's got soft closed doors. It is stunning. And it's all about the extras. 6,000 miles. The car's just over 6 months old. BMW warranty remaining. And it is just a fabulous example. Look at even them new style rear lights here, where they're just cut out. They are stunning. Big rear bumper, M Sport bumpers. You can see there, it's a 50. I think the last ones we've had have all been 45Es, and they've never been as new as this. And I just think the colour and the specification makes it. It just looks superb. It's priced £76,990. Now look at this merino, ivory and white and black leather interior. Beautiful. You've even got rear blinds. The ambient lighting is throughout, so it's in the door cards and the backs of the seats, with it having the Comfort Plus package. You have rear heated seats, so these seats in the back are all heated. Look at the Sky Lounge roof, which is all illuminated as well, and the ambient lighting can all be adjusted for the colours. All de-chromed around the windows. You've got sun protection privacy glass on the back as well. And then, I'll just show you a couple of it's all keyless entry. Walk to the car, car opens. And then you've got this incredible, up-to-date 8.5 iDrive system, touchscreen, so modern. And like I said, these seats here, heated, cooled, and massage. And I'll show you how all these features work in a minute. But obviously this is as up-to-date as you can get, really. So, you know, even for us, when we're, you know, buying cars, it's getting used to all the technology. Harman Kardon sound system, heads-up display. This steering wheel is heated and cooled cup holders in here. I think you can see them there. Just put a bit of power on. And you can see they're cooled, wireless charging. The camera system is absolutely superb as well. I'll put the car into reverse. You can see you've got full, it's got park assist. The spec is huge. Into here, I'll just show you the seats. Back in the park. Like that. There we go. Here we go. So you can see ventilated, heated, and heated steering wheel. I'll keep them ventilated seats on, actually. On here, if I just come on the door, press that button there, that is your massage seat. So you can see you've got all the different, you know, pelvic activation, upper body, all the different features there as well. And then if we go into this obviously is all now touchscreen. So if we press this, you know, interior lighting, you can adjust all your ambient lighting. Look at the colour change. Go back again. There's so much on these cars. If I go to driver settings, driver assistance, you've then got distance control, so you've got all your adaptive cruise control, assisted driving, parking. You've got iconic sound. You can change sport, electric, individual. It is so up to date. But that's what you want, isn't it? If you're going to buy something like this, you want something so up to date. You want the one with the spec. 2 keys with it It's also got a digital key as well. And then you've got all your, I haven't spoke so much, you've got an air suspension button here, you've got your sport button there, now it's into sport, you've got hybrid, and then you've got electric mode as well. So you can, it's the one to have, isn't it? And, X5 50Es, they're popular, but then getting one like this, with this level of spec, is super rare. Sky Lounge opening panoramic sunroof. There'll be so many, you've got your Apple CarPlay. There's so many other extras that the car's got, which you go into all the different apps and things, but you can just see the spec is massive. Heated, cooled massage seats, the sunroof, M Sport Pro, electric deployable Towbar. Actually, I'll show you that now. If we go into the back, pop the boot open. So there you have your charging cable, slide that back, and then you have your button there for the electric deployable Towbar. Very, very popular car just because of it being the hybrid and a 50E, but then there isn't anything on the market. There's other cars out there that is at this level of spec. They've just went tick, tick, tick and put all the right extras on. It's going to go live. It's only done 6,000 miles. It looks incredible. BMW X5 M Sport 50E.